Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly and today I'm gonna share with you how I create this sun-kissed makeup look using all the drugstore products. The first and the most important product I never skip is sunscreen, especially in summer. It's the Heimish Artless Glow Base SPF 50 plus PA+++. I'm using a two-finger method to make sure I apply enough product for effective protection. Usually I don't record this step as it's the last step of my skincare routine, but this can be used as a makeup primer. I never rely on foundation with SPF as applying that much foundation can kick up the face. This on the other hand is very lightweight with no white cast, leaves my skin a healthy glowy finish, and it works pretty well on the makeup. Then I wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before putting on makeup. In summer, I barely use foundation as the heat can cause the foundation to melt or separate on my skin. I don't like my makeup slipping and sliding around. Instead, I use the concealer to cover my imperfections anywhere needed with a minimum amount. The concealer I'm using today is the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer in shade Light. I'm applying some on my under eye areas, then I use my fingers to blend it out. This concealer is very thin in texture, so I prefer using my finger rather than a brush or sponge. Those can absorb all the product and its coverage. And I just love how natural it looks. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Designer in Brunette. Brow pencil is a makeup product that I use up the fastest, so I'm glad that the drugstore has a lot of good brow pencils to choose from, and I don't have to spend a fortune to have good brows. Then I'm using the NYX brow glue to keep those brow hairs stay put all day. For mascara, I'm using the Covergirl Lash Blush Clean Waterproof Mascara. This and the orange tube, also from Covergirl, are my favorite mascaras from the drugstore. It's best to use waterproof mascara to avoid panda eyes in the summer. Besides, the waterproof formula always holds my curls better than the regular one. It also makes my lashes look natural, separated, and clump-free. To get the sun-kissed look, of course we cannot skip the bronzer. But I don't want a heavy bronzer look as I want the blush to be the star of the show. I'm gonna use the butter bronzer from Physician Formulas to bring some shades to my skin. I slightly buff it into my skin and the bridge of my nose. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow today, so I put some on my eyelids too, just to create a little bit of contrast there. For blush, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Putty Blush. Look at this shade. It's just perfect for this look. It's a cream to powder finish, so I don't have to worry about it slipping and sliding around my face. It's very pigmented but beautiful. To get a flawless application, I take some out and blend it on the back of my hand first, then apply. I'm putting some on my nose as well to look like I've been kissed by the sun. Next, I'm gonna put some highlighter on the high points of my face using the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. This highlighter is very subtle and forgiving. You can skip this if you want, but our skin's kind of glowy when the sun hits our faces. I think it just makes the whole look come together. Now I'm gonna bring some glossiness to balance out this kind of matte look by applying a little bit of lip oil. And to make the lip oil last longer, I'm gonna use the Milani lip liner underneath first. The shade is All Natural. This liner is very pigmented and comfortable to wear. I'm just putting it all over my lips. And the lip oil I'm gonna use is from NYX in shade Follow Back. It's a warm nude shade with gold shimmer. It looks so pretty on the lips. This formula is thick but not sticky and very hydrating. I enjoy this formula a lot. Finally, I'm gonna set everything with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is a great setting spray that holds my makeup all day without any issues. And that's how I create my everyday sun-kissed makeup look using all affordable products from the drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!